Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update ColorOS on your OPPO Reno 15F. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to open up the Settings app. Now, in the Settings app, we need to scroll all the way down until we see the last few options. We're going to click on System and Update. And here we are clicking the first option from the top, which is the software update. As you guys can see, it is checking for updates automatically. Now, if you want to update your software, you will see the option to update it right here where it says version up to date. You will see a button that will basically prompt you to download and install. So all you will have to do is click this button, it will start downloading, and then the phone will show you a notification that you need to restart it, or that you can simply put it in the night. So it will update between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.